Hi guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about some another topic on my YouTube channel, and this is another very vital topic if you want to make your career in IT sector. And I just got it just behalf when I was researching new topic yesterday, and in this video we are going to talk about around 5 point, and to be honest, this is if you want to come in IT sector and you are looking one of the best career right now. So this is a very you should watch this video because in this video I will share 5 point how you can become this kind how you can become and basic salary and minimum requirement and let's see if I talk about this question. So recently so this is a right now 21st century best option if you are looking best option right now in IT sector. So you can select this course and you can start your journey in IT sector. If I talk about the course, the question in this video, the question is is data science right choice in 2023. So we are going to talk about in this video step by step, and honestly I will share why data science field going to demand and how you can become a data scientist engineer, and what is the basic salary of data science engineer. So please watch till the end, and till then like and subscribe and share this video. Let's start. If I talk about the first point in this video, the first point, what is data scientist engineer? The data scientist engineer is they actually manage the all kind of data in their in the company, and filterize all kind of data and giving and share the vital information to different department. So this is a basic information introduction of data scientist engineer. And if you want to know more, so you can watch my complete video I have uploaded already on my YouTube channel. You can watch and you can know everything about the data scientist engineer. If I talk about the second point, why data scientists feel high demand so in upcoming year. So honestly, if you want to come in digital marketing, I'm giving the example. If you want to come in digital marketing sector, yeah, development sector, so how you can filterize good exquisite data in this field, because a digital marketer and web developer only make the beauty of the website and promote their website. But if you don't have an idea which data is best for you and which data is best for not you, so you cannot do anything in this in their sector. So that's why the company need complete data scientist engineer right now. So that's why the data science field still will become a demand in this in 2020, yeah, yeah, upcoming year. So if you want to become a data scientist engineer, so this is the right time. You can start your journey right now, and you can learn basic things all about the data scientist, and you can start their career right now. If I talk about the third point in this video, how you can become a data scientist engineer. Actually, I have divided this point into two categories. The first one is technical, and second one is non-technical. If I talk about the technical, in this list, we are going to talk about the technical skills, which programming language you have to learn, in mathematics, and I will share lots of information in this list. So if I talk about the technical skills, so first of all, you have to learn about the mathematics, statistics, and programming language, and I have written everything on my notebook. So and data visualization tool, data visualization programming language, data analysis. So this kind of things you have to learn if you want to become a data scientist engineer. And I will share how you can learn basic introduction about this kind of things, and how you can become a master in these things. So first of all, if you are belong IT sector, uh, uh, so you can learn basic introduction about the programming language. Like right now, if you want to become a data scientist engineer, so you have to learn Python, you have to learn Java, and you have to learn C programming language. Because if you want to become a data scientist engineer, if you are not learning this language, so you cannot become a data scientist engineer, because Data programming language is a basic in basic things in data scientist engineer roadmap. And after that you can start your with data visualization tool like Tableau. Tableau, we have the another tools you can learn step by step. But honestly, but if you want to become data scientist engineer, so you have to learn lots of things about the Python, because without Python you cannot survive in this field a long period of time. If you want to learn more and learn more amount of money, so you have to learn lots of things about the Python, how Python work right now, Python loop, everything what have in the Python language. If I talk about the another thing, mathematics. So if you are doing pursuing graduation in IT sector like BTech, yeah BCA, so you have the lots of idea mathematics. So you don't be afraid. But if you are belonging non IT sector, so you have to learn about the mathematics, because the mathematics the key of success in data scientist field. Because I will tell you why. Because if you are calculating some kind of data, if you don't have an idea how mathematics going on right now, so you cannot filterize good data, and you cannot share with into your different department. So that's why I'm suggesting you have to learn lots of things about the mathematics about and programming. I have already told you which programming language you have to learn. If I talk about the data visualization tool, so first of all, you can start Tableau. Tableau is one of the finest data visualization tool. You can learn basic introduction. You can learn after. You can learn advanced. You can also purchase uh, uh, course. Course. If I talk about we have the lots of stuff on online platform. You can purchase 500, 6, 1,000 course, and you can learn lots of things about the Tableau. And after and this thing, when you have learned all this kind of thing, you can start different thing. If I talk about the second category, non-technical skills, honestly you have to learn, you have to make the good command on the communication skills. I will tell you, because recently I have told you data actually data engineer the share all vital data into different department. So that's why that sometimes you have to talk with your owner, sometimes you have to talk your different kind of department manager, senior manager. So that's why if you have the good communication skills, so you can talk very easily anywhere. But if you don't have the good communication skills, so you cannot talk anyone. So that's why I'm suggesting you can start learn basic, and you can improve your communication skills. That sometimes you can purchase in English communication course, different online platform, and you have to talk how they how foreign client they can actually talking for us. So this kind of skills you have to learn, and after that you can be and after that you can say, I have the lots of understanding about the data scientist engineer. So this so we have talk I have talked about the both of things. If I talk about the average salary data scientist engineers in upcoming year, honestly it will be gone beyond the 5 lakh per annum and 8 lakh per annum. But it completely depends on your skills, your hard work, your technical skills. If you have the good understanding all these things, so that your salary will be gone beyond the 8 lakhs. But if you don't have good command on your on their skill, so your salary will be below 5 lakhs. Because I'm recently told you data scientist is a hottest career in 21st century. So that's why the data scientist going high demand right now. So if I talk about the fourth point in this video, fifth point in this video, how you can learn this kind of thing. It is a very easy. It's just a piece of cake. You can learn. You can start your data scientist engineer journey by the help of YouTube. I have also started my journey as a digital marketer intern by the help of YouTube. I have learned lots of things by the help of YouTube. Lots. It's completely free of cost. You don't give any kind of money anyone. you can start basic understanding about your career roadmap. I'm not telling you, I'm not telling you only for data scientists. If you are connecting any kind of field in IT sector, so you can learn everything without free of course, by the help of YouTube. They have lots of stuff, honestly. And you can and if so, that's why I'm suggesting you can start basic understanding by the help of YouTube. And after that you can pursuing your graduation, yeah, if you are, and you can pursuing your diploma in data scientist field, because data scientist high demand skills right now. So that's why you have to do master, yeah, you have to do graduation in this field. After that your salary will be gone like a rocket. So that's why I'm suggesting you, you can start first of all YouTube, and after that you can go and you can purchase any kind of course, and you can do, you can do your graduation in data scientist field. So that's all in this video. If you have any kind of issue, so please put their issue in the comment box. Yeah, if you have, if you want to make the video on their specific question, so please share your question in the comment box. I will make the specific video on your specific question. So that's all in this video. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.